आप जानते ही होंगे ओमारा हमारी मैं दीप्ति चावला हूँ. आई एम एन इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोड्यूसर. आई एम एन एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर इन दिस फिल्म. एंड केतकी हैं TPHQ से पार्टनर एंड डायरेक्टर इन द कंपनी TPHQ.
ऐसे ही लग रहा है कि it was supposed to be exactly like this. It was meant to be. The journey was meant to be like this, and I was lucky कि ऐसा पिक्चर मिला, ऐसा टीम मिला है. We did it all of us together. Award भले ही मुझे मिला है, but it's a huge win for the team and for the entire country. That's why everyone is so happy. It's a win for all of us.
There would have been a lot of setbacks in your life also, and in terms of career also. So आप कैसे देखती है इतने सालों के struggles को?
As I said, ऐसे ही मतलब it was meant to be like this. It's इतने सालों के struggles जैसे है. It's been an amazing run. बहुत कुछ मैंने सीखा है, which सारी चीजें contribute किया है for me to be here today, sitting here with everyone, and yes, that's the story.
Yeah, please एक बाकी सब अपनी राय जाहिर कर सकते हैं. क्या मैम आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? ट्रेलर हमने देखा है, हमें अच्छा लगा है. क्या कहना चाहेंगी? किस तरह से काम करके लगा और कांस में जो इतना बड़ी तारीफ हुई, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
पहले तो बहुत ही एक्सिलरेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. बहुत ही एक्सिलरेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. बहुत आई थिंक कभी सोचा नहीं था कि we'll end up going to Cannes. तो जब हुआ तो it was very exciting. रही बात अनुसुईया की, I think I always knew it in the sense that I'll tell you why, because when we used to work together, here I am doing my own thing, but then here she is all focused at it, right at it, and so determined, and she's exceptional. When I actually started working in the project, I would like to say that I was a girl who had just stepped into this whole atmosphere. But then I saw my fellow actor who is so exceptionally good, and at the same time, she was a woman, like fully owning herself, and so good at her work. I was very much inspired by her, and I got this will to actually grow into my own self, to actually accept myself as one. That's what I
kind of like in the movie.
In the
also.
movie also. Oh my God, yes.
Yeah, ma'am, please your kind words.
We are very proud about the film. जब हमने देखी थी, we were quite blown away with the treatment, cinematography, language बहुत अलग था. हमने कलर्स इतने अच्छे से नहीं देखे थे तब, एडिट भी पूरा नहीं हुआ था, और हमने इन दोनों की शक्ल देखी थी. और अनुसुईया तो बहुत ही स्टार्किंग है, लकीली क्लटर ब्रेकिंग फेस है. तो जैसे ही फर्स्ट सीन शुरू होता है तो यू जस्ट वांट टू गेट हुक्ड ऑन टू द सीट एंड से ये कौन है, ये लोग कौन है और ये क्या करने वाले आगे. एंड द एक्साइटिंग थिंग इज कि इट्स अ थ्रिलर, एंड लड़कियां थ्रिलर में है तो दैट्स ऑलरेडी अ थिंग दैट्स वेरी पॉपुलर इंटरनेशनली. तो वी वर होपिंग वी मेड द राइट चॉइस, एंड इनका रोल देख के, डायरेक्टर का विजन देख के, एडिट लैंग्वेज देख के, वी वर वेरी श्योर दैट वी वांट टू ऑनबोर्ड दिस फिल्म. हमको तो करना ही था. कैन हो या ना हो हमें नहीं पता था. कैन में सिलेक्शन होना अनसर्टन रिगार्ड में जो वो कैटेगरी है वो इतनी बड़ी बात है अपने आप में. ऑफ कोर्स द विक्ट्रीज दैट हैव फॉलन आफ्टरवर्ड्स आर एन ऑनर ओनली, बट अनसर्टन रिगार्ड में पहुंचना ही बहुत बड़ी बात थी. And I remember the excitement that all these actors had and the nervousness the director had. And 5 countries के producers हैं, स्विट्जरलैंड है, बल्गेरिया है, ताइवान है, फ्रांस है, और हिंदी मेकिंग मतलब हिंदी स्पीकिंग फिल्म बना रहे हैं, और तब तक इंडिया नहीं था. तो हमारे लिए बड़ी हैरानी की बात थी. तो वी आर वेरी प्राउड, एंड द जर्नी हैज बीन रिमार्केबल. इट्स मेड हिस्ट्री. And I think it's the collective effort of this film team, how they dreamed, how the director kept his consistency for 14 years, kept the vision, in place, and in लोगों ने जो performance दी है वो, the award says it all.
Very important initiative, I would say. Very initiative, but it's very important. It's very essential for the forwarding of the industry, so to say, because हर type की picture की जगह होती है, but an industry is made up of different kinds of films. सिर्फ एक type के cinema से एक पूरी industry नहीं बनती है. So we need visionaries actually like Mohan sir and Ketki to have that kind of belief, have that kind of conviction, because the more diversity there is, be it in the world or in a film industry, the richer we are for it. So I would say it's absolutely visionary to be able to take up one part of such a large industry. Every kind of film is important, and I personally couldn't be happier because they picked up the film and it's great for us.
कौन सा कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है न्यू फेसेस को लेके काम करना और एक्सपीरियंस लोगों तो क्या डिफरेंस है उसमें?
तो मुझे तो दोनों सेम ही लगता है. मुझे लगता है कि ज्यादातर न्यू फेसेस, न्यू टैलेंट ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं, ज्यादा कमिटेड होते हैं. We have prided ourselves working with a lot of new talent, whether it's new directors, new actors. So we are very, very happy, and this belief of ours, the company and the talent, has paid off.
Anastasiya मैम, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, इस मूवी के बारे में, it's all about sex worker. हर किरदार से कोई ना कोई एक चीज अडॉप्ट करता है या सीखता है. What you have learned from this movie?
To fight for freedom, to hope, to love, and more than this film being about sex workers, I would actually say, I just said it earlier as well, that it's really about love and hope, and that's what ties our entire world together, as it should. So that has been my lesson, our lesson, and I think that's what everybody is feeling today, because of where we have taken this film. The whole country is feeling a certain feeling, and that's love basically, and hope.
सर
As you
विकास
said,
सर
love
आपसे जानना
and
चाहता हूँ
hope.
थोड़ा सा कि आप किस तरह मूवी से जुड़े, पहले तो वो बता दीजिए प्लीज, और क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका, थोड़ा सा वो शेयर कर दीजिए.
मैं बताऊं विकास जी के बारे में. जो पैसे आ रहे हैं विकास जी से आ रहे हैं सर. तो जो भी है तो इधर से ही आ रहे हैं. इज द वन इज द अनसंग हीरो बिहाइंड आवर कंपनी. वो पीछे रहते हैं. इज द वन who's funded the film. He's the one who's given wings to TPHQ. So we are very grateful for him to be here.
या सॉरी कौन पूछे?
मैडम कुछ पूछ रही थी.
जानना चाहेंगे, connected to that question only. This movie is all about sex worker, but as you said, hope and love. वहाँ पर कुछ औरतें ऐसी होती है जो love और hope की उस चीज के क्या कह सकते हैं कि वो चीज उन्हें नहीं मिलती है. So what you have to say, कुछ लोगों से आपने वहाँ पर कुछ लोगों से आप मिली, like sex worker, prostitutes की अगर मैं बात करूँ, आप उनसे मिली, इस तरह की बातें हुई, कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे आप?
There was a lot of research that the both of us put into educating ourselves, into informing ourselves. These are real people in a real profession. I would much prefer the word sex worker to prostitute. It's one of the oldest professions in the world. Everyone benefits of them except the ones in it. It was important for us to inform ourselves better, respect them as human beings before anything else, and tell their story as truly as we could.
Also talking about Cannes, can you please share your memories or experience? How was your experience there?
It was amazing. It was just being at the biggest, if I'm not wrong,
It is the biggest. It is the
the biggest film festival in the world. It was my first time. It was her first time. We did the film with all our heart and hard work. ये सोच के नहीं किया था कि Cannes जाएगी film या award मिलना है. That came later, and that's why it was even more beautiful. And not just the both of us, of course. It takes a sea of people to make a film, and we all know that. And but being there and India के लिए जो year हुई है at Cannes, with Payal's film, with Chidanand's win, Santosh sir's award. So it was a very, very proud feeling to be there as a team. It truly felt like we are one big team. And for the rest of the world to see us like that, well bonded, supporting each other, cheering each other on, truly standing for friendship and good art. I believe that was an incredible feeling.
मैम आप एक्सपीरियंस बताइए, न्यू फेसेस को लॉन्च करना कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है, जबकि कुछ रिजल्ट्स का आइडिया नहीं होता, कितना डिफिकल्ट है मैम न्यू फेसेस को लॉन्च आप लोग करना?
जैसे मोहन ने बताया कि डिफ़िकल्ट ऐसा नहीं है, इट्स मोर अबाउट कि आप वो कंटेंट में कितना बिलीव करते हैं. और विकास जी, मोहन, द प्रोडक्शन हेडक्वार्टर्स, हम तो हमेशा नए टैलेंट, नई चीज़ों को ही सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो हमारे लिए तो बहुत ही गर्व की बात है कि सिर्फ हमारी कंपनी के लिए या हम सब के लिए, बट ये पूरा एक कलेक्टिव एफर्ट है कि जब ये फिल्म जीती और हमने भारत को एक अच्छा अवार्ड लेके आए हम लोग घर पे.
Lastly, if you want to share something with the audience and also, please.
Shield.
हमारा है
हाँ,
और हमसे आप बात करते भी चुप बैठी हैं हमारे।
इनका रोल भी ऐसा ही है, उनकी आवाज़ फिल्म में भी इतनी ही धीमी है.
कोई भी बता सकता है फिल्म के डायरेक्टर के बारे में, किस तरह से बॉन्डिंग रही, कैसे पूरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई? और
So as I think Deepti mentioned earlier, director, I think he tried to mount this film for the last 12 plus years. हिंदी पिक्चर है, डायरेक्टर बल्गेरियन है,
जी,
उनको हिंदी भाषा नहीं आती है. But for us as actors and artists, that was a beautiful lesson and a process to watch. He had to come on board with a high degree of trust. As soon as we started the prep, Omara and I sat with the director screenplay लेके, कि script लेके बैठो, कौन सा dialogue ठीक लग रहा है, feel हो रही है, नहीं हो रही है, and he gave us that trust. It became a beautiful collaboration of building something together from the beginning, and that was very very good to watch because ये भी समझ में आया कि भाषा पता है या नहीं है. He knows the story so well. 12 साल से जो इंसान एक स्टोरी लेके है, जी रहा है, he knows it so well. Not knowing the language sometimes didn't even matter, and that was very beautiful to see.
There was this immense trust that he had on all of his
All of us.
actors. His actors, the crew. It was so at it that he was very sure he would take everyone's inputs and then be like, okay, I understand what you're saying, I understand what you're saying, I understand what you're saying. What works for this story? Does it work? Yes, it does. Oh, let's do it. This movie, I have to tell you, these are a lot of nations coming together and making this movie. So it is a very human movie. It has human emotions. It has, I mean, every movie does, but it's in its truest form because I think it expresses one of the most strongest human emotion, that being hope. The movie is about hope, and that is how the journey of making the movie also started with Constantine. For 12 years striving and then being like, I have full faith and hope in this story,
not losing hope.
not losing hope, and I want to do this. And he made it happen, and here we are.
अनुष्या, you are the main protagonist. Tell me, you are kind of like किस तरह का ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस रहा रोल में ढलने के लिए? मैं जानना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आपको एज एन एक्टर मिला है, तो
So I think
it
by
is not
now,
an easy, right?
I think the whole country knows that I haven't been acting all these years. So I'm not a trained actor, but I've been lucky to be in the fraternity for very many years. I've had a great deal of education in being able to observe some fantastic actors, and I approach this. I'm a instinct-based person, so I decided to rely on my instinct. I prepped very hard. We both prepped very hard. So did every other actor in the cast. And it required a great deal of physical work. I was training pretty hard, running quite a bit regularly. In terms of the mental prep, it was a character which was obviously very demanding, nothing like my own life. So yeah, I would say a great deal of concentration, focus, working closely with my director, my co-star Omara, the rest of the actors, Actually, with the rest of the actors, my character doesn't have that many scenes. So most of my prep was actually with her, but just such fantastic actors to, bring everyone's energy comes together, and you feed off that. So, and not just the cast, we had wonderful technicians, everyone top of the game. Everyone's work was so good. It creates an environment for us to also do well. So I think that was pretty much the story of the prep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.